Hi everyone, Lisa here from LC Designs. Welcome to Workshop Wednesday, October 11th, 2023. This is a pre-recorded video because I am out of town again, but I do have a project for you today, and it's another fall card. I'm into fall right now, so we have a quick and easy card for you to do. So business first, remember to share my video. When you share my video, you'll be entered into a drawing for a prize. And today I have the Splendid Day Specialty Designer Series paper. It's 12 by 12. And when you share my video, I'll enter your name into a drawing for this. October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. I am a breast cancer survivor, so I do a fundraiser. I started it last year, and last year I raised over $400 to send to the Susan G. Komen Foundation for research and early detection and all that. So I'm selling these card packs. I do not make no money. They're $20 for 6 assorted cards. They're all handmade by me. And $5 goes to shipping because I have to ship them to you. And then the other $15 will go to the Susan G. Komen Foundation. So if you would like a pack, just message me, email me, or comment below, and I will contact you to get your cards to you. And I appreciate it very much. We have a new Sweet Stampin' Friends tutorial. This I'm showing you last month, but this month it's all fall projects. So all except for one. There's a scrapbook page in there, and there's also a birthday card, but the rest are fall. Even the scrapbook page is fall. So to get your hands on the tutorial with 10 projects, all you have to do is spend $35 in my online store using this month's shopping link, which has the host code for it. If you want the step-by-step instructions to today's project, all you have to do is join my email list, and I send a new project sheet out every Sunday. And last but not least, Stampin' Up, we're still celebrating their 35th anniversary. They're offering a starter kit special, so you can get 35% off of your kit. So normally you get $125 in product for $99. So 35% off, I think it comes up to $64.75, $25, something like that. Or you can get 35% more product. So you get I should have looked all this up, $176, something like that, for the $99. And it's all product that you get to choose. If you decide to choose me as your upline demonstrator, you'll be part of my Lucky Charms team. When you become part of my Lucky Charms team, you'll get all my class PDF tutorials for free. So like this one, for example, this was just the PDF for my Halloween class, my Tricks and Treat class. Any class that I do, you'll get all my project tutorials for free, including the Sweet Stampin' Friends tutorial. There's promotions. As soon as you promote from one level, you'll get a charm bracelet. And each time you promote after that, you'll get a charm to add to your charm bracelet. So there's a bunch of different benefits, but you'll get the 20% discount right off the bat. So it's like going to your favorite store like Target or Walmart or Macy's and having a 20% coupon. And then plus you make 20% off of any sales that you generate, and with the possibility of bumping up and getting 25% off. So if you have any questions about that, just let me know. The offer is only till the end of the month. I think that is it business-wise. So let's go ahead and get to our project. Okay, so here's today's project. Like I said, it is quick and easy. Super duper easy. You can replicate these so easy. We're going to be using the All About Autumn Designer Series paper. It's finally back in stock. I've used this a lot. You can see on my scraps, but there's a lot of really pretty patterns. We're going to use this pumpkin pattern. I already have a piece pulled out. And we are using the Pick of the Patch stamp set. There's a punch that goes to it, but we're not using the punch. And we will be using the Nested Essential dies. I already pulled the 2 out that we're going to be using. This is another fun set of dies. And we are going to use the decorative circle punch. So let's get started. We're going to start out with a 4 1/4 by 11 piece of thick, very vanilla thick. Let's see if this is 4 1/4. This is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So we're going to score it at 5 1/2, and we will burnish that score line. And then we need a piece of Cajun Craze, which should be 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. So the one before the half. This piece of scrap paper was perfect, just enough to cut. And then now we're going to cut our pumpkin paper. So when you use this sheet, you want to place it like this. And we're going to cut this at 5 1/4 by 4. So we're going to line this side up with the spotted and striped pumpkin maybe at 4 and cut it this way. And then turn it and go 5 1/4. Just that works out good for our card. So you can see all the pumpkins. Let me move my trimmer. So we are going to adhere this piece to here. Look at that pretty peacock piece on the back. The pretty peacock's a color I like, and I just don't use it enough. Actually, I used it last week on my glue's not coming out. Workshop Wednesday project. But this might be enough glue. I probably need to clean my lid. You know, there's always something when you're doing a live video. All right, let's see if that's going to work. So this is just going to be barely a very small frame. It must be good because I can't move it. Darn it. Let me see what's wrong. It looks like there's no glue stuck in there. Now watch, when I go to glue the next piece, it's gonna come out like crazy. So now we're gonna adhere this to the card front. That's so odd. All right, well, let's scratch the liquid glue for now, and we will use seal, because I don't want to be fighting with the liquid glue. I don't know what's going on there. I guess I should have tried it before I started. So we're going to put this, which is going to be another really thin border, like so. Now what we're going to do is we're going to die cut our pieces. And I have the second and third banner dies from the Stitch It. So you can either go from the largest to the smallest. Either way, they're 2 and 3. Let's move this out of the way. Get you in the camera here. And so for these, we are just going to line, oops, goes that way. This one, and then put this one in here and just center it. Easier said than done, right? If you think it's gonna move, you could put a piece of tape on it. And we'll cut those out. And move that aside. We don't need to die cut anything else. Like this card is so quick and easy to come together. So I do need my liquid glue because this piece needs to be glued on because it has to lay flat. Now it's kind of coming out. Whoa. Yikes. Let me grab my, see? Something must have had it all clogged up. Whew. Now it's coming out like crazy. That was odd. So we're just gonna put this over here towards the edge. Ah, wait. Hey, we'll put that back over here. I forgot we need our vellum circle. So we're just gonna use the vellum with the stripes on it. This is your vellum basic with a decorative circle punch. So it's kind of, I said to put your glue in the center because it's gonna be mostly covered anyway. Put that on. Now we're gonna put this on like that. And I'm gonna lay that punch on that for a minute. This glue, my goodness. And so now we are going to punch or stamp our sentiment, thanks so much, Occasion Craze ink on, I got glue on my fingers, on our banner. I hope that's straight. Well, let me close this. Oh, my fingers are all sticky from that glue. Seems like I have that problem almost every week, don't I? So this we're going to put on with dimensionals. Like I said, that's all going to be hidden. And let's put this right in there like that. And my fingers. We are going to tie a copper bow. This copper ribbon is so pretty, but it's not my friend when it comes to tying bows. Not sure why. It slips right out of my hands. Oop. Even with gluey hands, it's still slipping out of my hands. So this one you just got to play with to tighten it. Just keep on playing with it. It's funny because my fingers are sticking to it, but it's still slipping. All right, so we are going to use a glue dot and stick it right below the thank you. Right like so. And you can trim your ribbon so it's not hanging over the card. There you go. And then we're gonna, I better put this back on because I don't know what's going on there. I'm using these adhesive back sparkle gems. So they're champagne, black, and they call it white. I would say silver. But we're gonna add a large one first here at the bottom, and then two small ones, just to add some bling to it. All right, and then now in the inside, here's where we're, oh, did I touch that? We are gonna do our little pumpkin from the Pick of the Patch. I am going to use a foam pad. I just want to make sure that it's gonna stamp correctly. My pumpkin pie stamp or ink pad looks like it's been through the ringer. My nails are all messed up because I just did them prior to the video. And I probably didn't let them dry all the way. And so now we're going to do the stem in Mossy Meadow. But here's the trick. We're going to put this little post-it and just leave just a tiny, tiny bit of that pumpkin showing. Do you see that? And we will stamp. And there, it looks like your stem is right where it's supposed to be. And that is it. Is that not the easiest card ever? Look at how easy. And they're both, we both have our little pumpkins in there. Easy peasy. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Sorry about my mishap with the glue. And if you have any questions about anything, just let me know. And I will see you guys next week. Take care. Have a good one. Bye.